Myself Nagarjuna. I am from Andhra, which is Kadapa. I am coming to my education. I am from BSc Computer Science, with a specialization of Computer Science. And coming to my technical knowledge, I am good at Python programming language and some of the front-end technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and some of the frameworks like Django. Actually, recently placed in Visa of Technology, which is role is SQL developer with a package of 2.4 by LBA. Actually, whenever informing to my family, which is so happy and excited from my words. Mostly, many of the students must be practiced with the consistency, and I'm probably done with the consistency with the day by day improvement. Actually, quality that is better institute to training ourselves, which is under Abdullah sir, which is more impact of every student, which is special thanks to Abdullah sir. Coming to my job, it is based on the SQL and PLSQL. That's it. Mostly preferred only SQL and PLSQL. Whenever I am joining quality that, which is no one helped me, and after that, which is under Abdullah sir, he trained me as a good level of student, and they gives motivation, which is to improvement day by day, which is good for my training. With the basic needs of and my life and some of the salary which to spend with my family, because of this, it is my first salary from my generation. If possible, is there any with the confidence and with if there any work will be consistency we can do and must be improved day by day, which is have to learn from the past days. Most probably within the 5 years, must be within the better position only, not even expecting particular position, within the better position only.